wanted to try out this Morphe times Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. So Coca-Cola actually partnered up with Morphe and they created their own Unity collection. So this is what it looks like, and these are the shades. So pretty. Y'all know I love me some browns, some neutrals. I love those shades. So I'm going to do a cute little look. I don't know what I want to do yet. I think I want to use definitely the browns, and I think I want to use one of these shimmers. I don't know yet. Let's see. So I'm gonna go in with That's the Spirit, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And I like that this palette comes with a big mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna apply Oh Honey right on top of my lid. That one I think is a very neutral, so I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. I'm gonna use Join Hands, and I'm gonna use that to darken up that crease area, because I'm gonna try to use this as my transition shade since that shade was a little bit too light. With that same brush, I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. I'm just gonna use Commercial Break, and I'm just gonna deepen up my crease. Yeah, my hair is so tight. I feel like I got a facelift. DIY facelift, and I'm definitely here for it. So I'm gonna take that same e.l.f. concealer. I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm using medium warm this time to cut my crease. This one is definitely light, y'all. I don't think I'll be able to conceal with this. This is light, and it's more of a yellow undertone. Ooh, look at this blue. Oh, I have to use that on my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna use Flash Forward on my lid. I'm gonna use my finger first. Y'all, come through. Okay, this color is definitely bomb as fuck. Now this look is fire. Ooh, I'm excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to align my waterline, and I'm going to use a brown pencil this time. I normally use black, but I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to use a brown liner. And this liner is from, I can't even see this. This liner is from LA Girl. This is the gel liner, and this is in the shade, I don't remember y'all, and I don't even say it. It's like, it's on a black pencil, and the words are brown, so I can't even see it. I can't see it. I'm blind, y'all. I can't see this. But it's brown nonetheless. So I'm going to use this to line my waterline. Just like that. So from that Morphe palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Warm Fuzzies, and I'm just gonna kind of smoke out the bottom of my under eye. And then now I'm gonna just coat my lashes with mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is in the shade Black. And I'm not gonna put any wing liner on today. I'm just gonna put some lashes on. These are the lashes that I'm using from my company. These are some new lashes that I'm releasing. These are in the style Honey. I really like these. They look so cute. So I'm gonna put them on just to finish up the look, let you guys see, you know, what it's giving. Because I'm really feeling this look, y'all. I feel mad cute. And we ain't done yet. Y'all, once I apply these lashes, you're gonna be cute. So the lashes are on, and we're almost done with the makeup look. We're gonna go on to lips, which is the last portion. I got this LA Girl lip liner, and this is in the shade Bear. So this is a nude lip liner, so we're gonna see how it looks with this look. Oh, she nude. So this lip liner, no, cannot work for me because it's way too nude, and I don't know, I feel like it doesn't accentuate my lip at all. So I'm just gonna go in with some brown lip liner, and I'm using the one that I got from Amazon. This is the Nobi lip liner, and this is in, I don't even know where the color is on this. Oh, Hot Cocoa. This one is Hot Cocoa. I just applied my lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with this NYX. This is their butter gloss, and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. So I haven't tried this one before, so I wanted to try it out and see how it looks. And it's a more pinky gloss. Now I'm thinking, do I want to do highlighter, because I don't know. I'm actually going to do some highlights. So for highlight, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty, and this is the Duo palette. And I'm not going to highlight too much, but I'm going to get some highlight on my nose. And for the brow bone, I'm really just using both of them, and I'm just dipping my brush into both, and that's it. I'm going to highlight with this little brush right here, and then I'm going to just put it on my cheeks. And I'm just going to put a little bit, y'all. So I almost forgot setting spray, y'all. We got to use that setting spray. So I'm using the Morphe Aluminus setting spray, and this is the only setting spray I have right now that I actually want to use because I just got this. So I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna spray it all over. I right, y'all, so let me go, you know, get a little bit more dolled up, get some earrings, change my outfit, and then I'll be right back to show you guys, you know, the final look. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I am ready, but this is the final look, guys. I really like how it turned out, and I'm definitely feeling this eyeshadow palette, y'all. Coca-Cola times Morphe. Y'all have to get it. The colors are super pigmented. I really love how that lid shade came out. I was not expecting that, but I love it nonetheless, and I'm really feeling this look. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you did as well, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel so you can get, you know, more makeup tips, more fashion tips, and become a part of the family. Okay, we're at 600 subscribers. Finally, we're on our way to 1,000, so let's get that popping. Okay, so this is what the look looks like. Let me show y'all my little outfit that I picked out. Do y'all like my hair? It's so cute. I was doing like crimps or whatever, but I end up combing them out a little. But so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.